Hello and welcome to another episode of Food Trekker. I'm your host Sam Bass, and I just wanted to tell you thank you for joining me. I wanted to share with you a video I did when I first started filming food. It was when I was going to the University of Oregon. It was on a restaurant called Mame. Mame is owned by a gentleman named Taro Kobayashi, and he makes some of the most amazing sushi I've ever had. Unfortunately, Mame is no longer around. They closed up shop in 2018, but Taro, the owner, opened a new sushi place called Akira, and I hope to visit that one day soon. But unfortunately, a lot of businesses are struggling right now. And I really do hope that during these tough times, you go out and support your favorite restaurant and local business, because they might not be around if we don't support them. So do the best you can. That's why I'm making this video, so that you guys can see something I did when I first got started. Also, the food that I shot, it was delicious. It was the most amazing sushi ever. Between here and Japan, I would say that Taro makes Japan quality style sushi. So without further ado, I hope you will enjoy this video on Mame, an old favorite, but definitely something to look forward to in the future with Akira.
I truly appreciate every single person that's ever told me that something we make reminded them of something comfortable, their home, their childhood. Once in a while it happens, and you know, every time it's like, oh shit, like, you know, like, that's really nice. Like, probably 10 years ago, I'm sure I was like, oh, I'm a chef. You know, people ask me, what do you do? Oh, I'm a chef. Yep, thank you. Have fun, man. My job is to cater to your stomach. That's what we do. I think I ended up in a kitchen job, honestly, because it was the easiest job to get. Took a job washing dishes. Washing dishes is what inspires cooks to be cooks. It's motivating. I want to do something else. Small businesses, especially restaurants, it's just a constant struggle. You can't get away from the fact that you can't get away from it. What we do as a business in a restaurant is that we make food. It's about using the best ingredients. Some of us really give a shit about what we're doing. Some of us really give a shit about your body. I've just worked for so many people that really don't care about food or the people that work for them. And I wanted to try to do something better. I want to be a better cook. I want to make better food. If your idea of a restaurant is within the realms of anywhere from Taco Bell to Olive Garden to Marché, you know, if it's that, we are not that. We are more like Cage the Animal meets a stoner's couch. You know, it's like that kind of thing.
Hey, thank you for watching that episode on Mame. It was a wonderful place to be, and I ate at Mame like a few times, like maybe 4 or 5 times before they ever closed down, and it was just so fun. He had hip-hop music playing all the time, and it was just, I had a great time with Taro. We make a great pair. It was wonderful to talk with him. So I hope you will like this video. If you enjoyed it, please do. It helps. It also gets people to see the video besides yourself. And if you subscribe, you will get to see future videos in your timeline. So I do hope you subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much, and I'll check you next time on Food Trekker.